Alright, that is the turkey. Yeah. I'm scared because I do not like this business. As good background music for a disgusting moment. Holy hell, I hate this business. Oh, Eric, I don't do this. Oh, I broke it. I broke the scissor. Oh, next pair. Always keep back up, Mink. Oh. Alright, man, to make your day funny, I will show you. Holy hell, Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, this thing, oh, it's gruesome. It made a bad sound, yeah? Okay. And my sink is sanitized, yeah? Oh no. The fucker's still frozen. What a week. Blood. Holy. My God. It's blood. It is. This is the turkey, man. Oh, shit, I don't get that. So you can get a full discatoy. Rinse this thing. The fucker has feathers, man. Turkey dick. I don't know what that is. It's his eyes, man. I don't know. And in there, what is that shit? Oh, toilet make is disgusting. They don't put it in bag no more. And who fuck is cold, man? That's not right. It's not right, man. It's been defrosting for a week. Fucker's cold in there. Where's my apron? I should be doing this with apron. Is there something else hiding? They always had like a ring in there or a jack in the crack. Like Cracker Barrel. What? Oh. Jesus, Mary, Joseph, what? Is there something more I should know? Is there like a plastic, like cock ring or enema something? They do something in there, don't they? Eric, you do this? I don't. Oh, it's a flammable. Oh, these aren't as big as mine. I can say that. There are only bees, not doubles. You know these. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to. God damn it, Jim. Fuck. What do I do? It is not sanitary. Fuck. Fuck. turkey in this case. I have to wash before I touch my phone. Because then I shouldn't soak there. Yeah, bubble turkey. Bubble turkey. Oh, fuck. You saw the dick. You saw the dick come out of the turkey. Every turkey has a dick. It's what I say. Dick in a turkey. I'll save it for Raja. He liked turkey dick. I thought I did too until I saw it again. And then it's all bumpy and scracky. But it's always hard. Bye.